Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio, and on this Tech Tip Thursday, I want to talk to you a little bit about lighting. Now, I took a course in college on how to set up a shop, and one of the things that they talked to us about was how much light you need. Well, there are meters that you can actually put on your shop table and read how much light, and I don't even remember how much light you're supposed to have, but in a woodworking shop you want to have a lot of light because you want it to be well lit for safety reasons. Well, in the Stained Glass Studio we kind of have some of those issues, and we think we have a pretty good amount of light. As I get older, I like more and more light, and it's just an eyesight thing. Now, if you look up, you'll see that this particular fluorescent tube is dead, and the one before it is blinky. So I'm going to replace all 5 of these today, and I'm going to do it with the same kind of lights that I have in the back. These are not fluorescent lights. These are these new LED fluorescent replacements, and they have like a 32-year life on them or something like that, so that's pretty great. They had a sale on them on Amazon, and I got 10 of them for 26 bucks a piece. And if you want to get 10 of them for 26 bucks a piece, if you go to our store link on our website, which is gsg-art.com, and you click on store, then you'll be able to get some for yourself. Now, this is a little different than the ones that I have in the back room, because they've actually made these to look like fluorescent tubes. This box on the edge, it says that it weighs 33 pounds. And man, either 33 pounds is a lot heavier than it used to be, or I'm a lot weaker, because it was kind of heavy to carry the box, I thought. All right. Now then, it's kind of handy. So here, I go up my trusty ladder.
Even though your brother says you can't go up on ladders anymore.
Yeah, my brother took my license to climb a ladder away from me after that incident where I fell off one. This is a new ladder, which shouldn't be as scary. It's not wobbly like the other one was. I don't want to hit my back on all these cup hooks that I've got here.
Oh, that would rip your pretty shirt.
Okay. Now I've done this before. Quite dirty. They've been up here a few years. kind of dark over here. I love those buttons that Amazon let me build to be able to put on our store site, you know, so that you can gather up all the things that we use in the shop, or, you know, different stuff, and then you just click on a button and it takes you right to it on Amazon. I think it's an affiliate link, and I think that they might give us a few pennies for different sales. But that's not why I put them up there. It's so that it makes it easy to find. Makes it easy to find them. Okay, let's see if I can. I get this on the chain without dropping it. Let's see. I got my psychedelic disco light back behind me. We don't use it for stained glass classes.
Good.
Well, it would make the colors seem wrong. Okay, let's see. Oh boy. It's just, I kind of want my
Ooh.
Hey, now, what do you think?
I think that's bright.
That's a lot brighter than it was. Man, it's bright as daylight down there on the floor. So, all right. That's one down and 4 to go.
Okay, he survived it, ladies and gentlemen.
And Jeannie almost took a trip on the stairs, so she was so worried about me. Well, if you look down there, look how much brighter it is. I mean, that's pretty dramatic. I mean, you can really see into this corner. Now, we don't need this much light right here, but it's great. Well, I hope you found this video to be entertaining, but these are some great lights that you might want to consider when you relight your shop space. All right, well, thanks for joining us, and as always, click on the button to come to our website and learn about classes. We live in Provo, Utah. We'd love to have you join us, and go ahead and subscribe to our channel too. Thanks for being with us. Bye.
And now we're going to go take a breath.
Are we?